In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit channel settings in Slack step by step. This is a really useful skill if you manage a team, moderate conversations, or simply want more control over how a specific Slack channel behaves. Whether you want to update the channel name, change posting permissions, manage notifications, or adjust visibility, I'll walk you through everything clearly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. Once you're inside Slack, navigate to the channel where you want to edit the settings. This can be any public or private channel where you have permission to make changes. For this example, I'm opening a channel directly from the channel list on the left side of the Slack interface. Click on the channel name so it opens fully in your main workspace view. Next, look at the top of the channel window. You'll see the channel name displayed along with some icons. Click on the channel name itself or the small drop-down arrow next to it to open the Channel Details panel. This panel gives you an overview of the channel, including members, integrations, and settings. Now, within the Channel Details panel, find and click on the option labeled More Actions. This is where Slack groups advanced options for managing the channel. When you click on More Actions, a menu will appear with several options related to channel management. From this menu, click on Edit Settings. This is the option that allows you to customize how the channel works. Once you click Edit Settings, Slack will open the channel settings screen. Here, you can select and change any settings you want based on your role and permissions in the workspace. For example, you can edit the channel name and description to better reflect its purpose. You can also control who is allowed to post messages, which is useful for announcement-only channels. In addition, you can adjust notification settings, manage who can add apps or integrations, and update privacy settings if applicable. Take a moment to review each option carefully and make the changes that best fit your team's needs. After you've selected your desired settings, make sure to save or confirm your changes if Slack prompts you to do so. Once saved, the new settings will take effect immediately for everyone in the channel. And that's it. You've successfully edited channel settings in Slack. This simple process can make a big difference in keeping your workspace organized, secure, and easy to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, tutorials, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.